16 shops were gutted in a blazing inferno in the wee hours of Monday at the Mapusa market, resulting in a combined loss of around rupees 2 crore in merchandise. The incident took place at around 2:50 a.m. when a short circuit triggered a fire at one of the shops in the Mapusa market. The fire spread to the neighboring shops as there was plastic sheet on the floor. It took the firefighters 5 hours to bring the blaze under control, which by then reduced all 16 shops to ashes and resulting in a major loss of merchandise totally worth around rupees 2 crore. Non-functional fire hydrants at the market complex was the major reason for such a huge loss. Speaking to Goa 365, Mapusa Municipal Chairperson estimated the loss to be between 1 and 2 crore of rupees.
रायडरान ऑलरेडी हे केला आली आमी ते ऑलमिस करच्या पयलीं फायर अटेंड करपाक आमी कोशिश केल्ली ते बसयल्ले आहा पूण तेंच्यांनी मेन लायन आहा पळय मेन लायनीक हे कनेक्शन दिवंक नासले म्हणजे फाटल्यान लागून आमी काम करून घेतलेले पण लास्ट तेंचे ते ताका कनेक्शन दिवपाचें आसलें ते दिले ना कारणान हांगा उदीक आज मेळ्ळें ना.
Goa 365 also spoke to Municipal Chief Officer, who said that loss of this magnitude had taken place because the shops were situated close to each other.
क्रिसमसा खातीर स्पेशली क्रिसमसा खातीर हांगा तांचो मातशे कस्टमर्स बी आसा म्हणून ताका लागून हांवें ओके म्हणलें तांकां आनी आतां हें म्हाका दिसता शॉर्ट सर्किटाक लागून जाला जाल्यार म्हणलें ही इतली शॉप्स क्लोज एकामेकाक आशिल्ल्या कारणान असो जो स्प्रेड जाल्लो आसा अशें म्हाका.
Ms. Naik further said that the affected shop owners would be rehabilitated. Goa 365 also spoke to one of the shopkeepers who expressed his grievances.
आता क्रिसमसाक सगळो माल हाडलेलो आमी सगळो पॅकिंग करून हांगा हाडलेलो चॉकलेट्स बी सगळे स्वीट्स बी सगळे हाडलेले